Get potplayer from Windows Store. Or download it from website link given below. After downloading, run the installer and follow the steps. Now we will enable few options and change few settings to get the most out of potplayer. Here you can see thumbnail preview is working with timestamps. Potplayer is loaded with many features. We have touched basic features. This software credits goes to the developer. Download the software from official source. We can also play media file through URL. Copy-paste your media file URL and click OK to play it. Here are the scan results of potplayer. You can see the result linked in the download site also. Now to uninstall potplayer, type remove in Windows search and click on Uninstall potplayer button.